an imaginary number episode before episode 1 of your fishing channel with Clutter.
Episode 1, trout trials.
It could be imaginary episode number, you know, one of a few before we learn how to edit and have a 4K camera. Country streams, give John a fish so you can take it home.
No. Just after they have brown trout. We'll go on an hour and take home.
Alright, so you can take a picture. List brown and 25 inches. And it's going on the grill and coming home. Let's see.
He got off.
Oh well, he wasn't brown anyways. He wasn't brown.
You know how fucking mad I'd be if I caught a big ass brown trout and an eagle stole it?
Not that mad.
If you had it on video, I would not. Well, let me fish an hour or so.
Alright, so you take it and you twist it like that. And there's a real little hole right down there. It's kind of a pain in the ass. You go right through that hole. Take it. And bring it down like that. And then you go 3 times. Just normal. And that's your fishing. Telling you, a country stream song. Give John a fish. There it is, swimming. Whatever it is, it's all ripples and it's coming by the rock right now.
Yeah?
Like an otter or beaver or something like that. I see him. I could go see it.
I really don't know. Like, snag you.
No. I jumped in your way like you should have.
I'm gonna move up a little bit. If my fish scared the other fish. Like night mode or something?
What is it?
I think they're like night mode or something. Huh?
One would assume. But why, you want me to shut this off?
No, you don't.
I'm fine with that. I don't know.
You don't have to. You don't want to.
I've never really used it or played with settings or anything.
Yeah, it's like the sun came out and started hearing cars.
Which is why I said imaginary episode, because, you know, not a camera guy yet. Country streams. Bring John a fish. Make it brown. 25 long and round. So we can take it home. Show his friends. Hang it on the wall. Alright, well, fry it up. I see stuff popping out of the water over here.
Oh man.
You woke him up.
He was fucking going for a butterfly or something. Jesus Christ, he really got up there. They're going nuts right now. They're on top water. Be great for a pop.
Nothing to get you motivated like a big trout jumping out of the water at you and a bear ready to share. You want to FaceTime Clutter? Give me your phone.
No, it's all.
FaceTime, maybe he'll bring the luck you need.
Shit, last time he didn't get sick.
Nah. Today was his day. He missed a Clutter. Come get me, John Michael, I'm over here.
Fucking ball. There's probably 30 fish.
Oh yeah, there's 30 there. He was dark. Feels illegally good to me. Somebody's gotta come out. Oh.
The one fish gave me bad luck. Bad mojo.
No bad mojo. They're just getting to know you. They want to see how you dance. Oh. Saw some movement right in front of us there.
Oh,
I told you I did, yeah.
mouse.
I saw his movement.
I felt him. He wasn't on it yet. He was just playing with it. That makes sense. He didn't.
Oh, I get it. He's teasing you. He's right here in front of me. He's going left. Actually, there's two in front of me going left right here. But I like that they look smaller and they're looking up this way. That makes me think this is a good spot. Got some activity over here, splashing. And that otter, whatever that otter was, it plopped in the water, swimming back to that rock. Or a turtle, maybe. I don't know, just his head sticking out of the water, though. Yeah, nice to see you jumping over there, buddy.
Right here by this pipe.
They're just hanging out.
Landed up there. Yeah, they're not really. Dude, I swear to God, it's like they're hitting it, and then they're like, no flavor. Don't know if
Hey,
that's it.
John. $5. $5. 27 inches long. Dude, that thing is a monster.
Well, he thought about it. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. You're getting close to it. Hey,
What just came out of that?
breakfast? Yeah.
Yeah, there's a fuck ton of them right there, isn't there? I see them now.
Yeah, but keep looking. I lost count. He can have my ear, but he better not take his hat. The bald eagle right above us. He's going above the trees, right above your head now. Look, right above you, straight above you. That's him. We're here. You can have a fish. Come on, buddy. There's a bunch right here. Sorry, you're gonna get your fingers wet here in a second. It's gonna feel better. Here on the driest rock face in the northern hemisphere. Also known as home of John's Brown Trout. Oh, hey man, that's what's up.
Hey. You see how small that was? That's why I had a big ass trout chasing one.
Yep. Oh, that makes sense. Below that.
No, it's not the same rock trout.
Listen.
Look,
Yeah, someone hit him. Nah, it's a different little fish. Oh, you're right. It's the same guy. Isn't it?
Oh, man. Back to back cast.
If you're curious, to your left, there's a couple as well.
Fish down here too. I can't believe you woke up at fucking 3 a.m. What did you wake up 4 a.m.?
I woke up at 2:59,
It's fucking ridiculous.
ready to catch this fish.
That's fucking ridiculous.
Watch out, I might just start doing it every day. Country stream, bring John fish. Big brown, 25 long and round. We can take it home and show his friend. It might just be a rainbow, just a light colored rainbow. Well, hello there. Listen. We're coming for you, meat eater. Have a bite.
I'm gonna throw this fucking pole, bro.
Maybe you should put some of your pulled pork on it. You know what I mean? They don't even know. Yeah, he's a for sure. Oh man, I'm about jumped out of the water behind you. Hey, who wants it? around. How you doing today, sir? You got it, buddy. You can do it. Get out there. Take it a good time. Alright. You see with you. Country stream. Got John a fish.
Where's your hat, Clutter?
Oh my goodness, this kid right. What size was it? Probably what?
20 inches.
20 inches?
20 inches.
Alright.
I want to do this. 22.
Maybe 16.
Yeah, it's a decent one. Over by the rocks, get yourself a little rock bed. I ain't think that was a rock bed.
Nah.
I think I got a turtle, dude. I got a snapping turtle. Not just a turtle.
Oh, John.
That's a big fucking turtle.
Now, how do you...
I'm just gonna cut the line, but I want to see it.
Man.
That's a dinosaur. I'm on its ass, too, so it's not like I'm... Holy... That is a dinosaur. What the fuck? Oh god, he's gone. I'm so I want to bring him in. I think I can bring him. Well, he's got a thing on his ass. That was crazy. That was so big. Holy shit. Actually chilling on that rock again?
I don't know. He won't be hard to find, though. If he's moving, he'll be shaking that gold ass of his.
Yeah, definitely a little gold ass.
It's a Joe's Fly snapper.
Oh, Joey.
I like it. Joey the snapper. How you doing, Mr. Eagle? I was just talking about you. Yeah. You can come take a chunk out of John. You smack that turtle? His head a little bit. He heard you. Talking to your... Okay, he's asking his new cameraman if we got a video. I charged the battery.
Damn?
Dude.
Holy fuck.
Well, it's been a nice day here. You said, I think I got a turtle. Is that a turtle? Country stream. Bring John fish. Big brown. 25 long and round. We can take it home and show his friends.